Today marks 30 days, 5 videos, countless hours of learning since I published my very first YouTube video. Here are 10 things that I've learned, what I wish I knew beforehand, and what I have picked up from successful YouTubers, like interviews with Mr. Beast, masterclass with MKBHD, the success of Matt Armstrong, and others. And at the end of it, I'll share with you whether all of it is worth it. Number 1, it is a lot of hard work. Depending on how fast you want your channel to grow, how successful you want it to be, YouTube can easily become a part-time job. But without the pay, unless you hit a certain number of subscribers and views, on average, that takes several months or years. According to a Medium article, only 1% of channels actually make money. So if you're working a regular job like me, say goodbye to your free time, your friends, your family, the sun, movies, TV shows, going out, or whatever else you do in your free time. Hello, old friend. To give you an example, I spent over 3 hours creating the watermark that you're seeing at the bottom right of your screen. If you're not seeing it and if you're on your phone, flip your phone sideways and tap the screen once. It's a YouTube bug, I guess. Number 2, views and growth will be slow at first. Consistency is key. You have to upload on a regular basis to see any traction. That is why it's so important to love what you're doing and doing it for the right reasons, whether it's to educate or entertain or whatever else your purpose is. Also, think of YouTube as just one part of your brand. Use platforms to build and connect with your audience. Eventually, I would love to build my own website too. Number 3, have a theme or focus topic for your channel. This helps viewers understand what your channel is about. And if they're interested, they'll be more likely to subscribe and stay. Number 4, good thumbnails and titles are crucial. You have to make people want to click on your video in the first place. And once they do, hook them in the first 10 seconds, keep them interested at 30 seconds, and give a reason for them to watch all the way until the end. The best way to do that, prepare, research, be knowledgeable, and provide value. Number 5, know your intended audience. Remember, when you're talking to a camera, you're not just talking to a lens, I'm talking to you. Number 6, get the information across in as little time as possible. People will click out of your video if they get bored or feel like you're wasting their time. Point number 7. Results over perfection. MKBHD in his masterclass said he would rather have somebody make 30 videos and improve on each one than trying to perfect one video over 30 days. Between my first and my last video, I saw exponential growth. I will actually link my very first video at the end of this video if you want to check it out. Number 8, have good audio, video, and editing software. Regardless of your budget, there are good options out there that can make your channel stand out from the very beginning. But remember, you can build out your equipment as you go. Somebody that is more experienced can make a better video on a smartphone than I can with a very expensive camera. Number 9, review your work with a fresh pair of eyes and ears. Before uploading, take a break and review your work with a fresh perspective. Even better if you can find a friend or a family member that you trust to give you feedback as well. I've uploaded videos where I caught my own mistake only after uploading because I was too tired after hours of editing. And finally, number 10, understand how the YouTube algorithm works. The more time people watch your video, the more YouTube will promote your content. So focus on watch time, engagement, and making videos people want to watch. Now that we've covered the 10 things I've learned from making these videos, is this YouTube stuff worth it? Now everyone's different, but for me, absolutely. Even if I don't make a penny off of it, I've uncovered a passion to educate, to learn, to create. Building something from the ground up is tough, like a business, but it's so rewarding. And throughout this entire process, I've learned things about myself and areas where I want to improve in. So if this is what you want to do, best of luck to you, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to follow my journey, hit the subscribe button. Until next time.